All right, everybody. So what I hope is my last video for while I am out is going to be about the science of gratitude. Now, that's going to be this right here. You're either doing it on Thursday or Friday after your summative assessment. Now, the summative assessment, maybe it takes you all bell, and that's fine. But this assignment, right, is coming after that. It will be due next week when I am back, but let's get it done today if you have the time. So looking at it, okay, there are two things. There's the article and worksheet. Now with that article and worksheet, please open regardless of doing it digitally or on paper. I prefer you do all this on paper, and the paper will be with the sub. But if you, I need you to open this up because there are digital instructions. And then a lot of you on the last quiz did not use the article and worksheet to help you with it. So please make sure that you are using the article and worksheet to help you with the quiz. It will count as a practice grade, not a quiz grade. But unlike last time, you only have one attempt. So all the more reason to make sure you are using the article and worksheet. Now, here is the Science of Gratitude article and worksheet. Now with this, you can download the article, but there is the paper copy, and I want you to have the paper copy so you can annotate. Unlike the last article, I do want you to annotate on this one, so please make sure you annotate this article. So the first thing is, as you read, this is also in the instructions of the article, of the worksheet, highlight or underline evidence that shows how gratitude affects the brain, body, and behavior. We're really looking at cause and effect, especially because once you look at the worksheet, you're really just filling in cause and effect. So if you've highlighted all the effects, then you're just going back in the article and looking for the things that caused it. So as you are also going through the article, I want you to write the main idea of each section. There are 6, kind of like what you did on the last article, but I want you to do it on the actual article itself. Here are your 6 main. It's just each heading, right? So to the right of the headings, except for the introduction, which doesn't have a heading, but like to the right of here, what's the main idea? To the right of here, what's the main idea? To the right of here, what's the main idea? What's the main idea? And finally, what's the main idea of each of these 6 sections? And then the last thing I want you to do is going back to our text features from early. I find 2 headings or subtitles, subheadings, whatever you want to call it. But there are 5 headings, 5 subtitles, 1 caption. There is only 1 caption that I saw. 1 sidebar, there are 2, 1 bold or italicized word, and 1 photograph or an illustration. I just want you to label those, okay? And then turn in the article and worksheet into the turn the article and worksheet into the substitute, okay? Now, once this is done, that's not all there is. There is also a quiz, okay? Quiz, practice, but it's just a practice. Now, with the quiz, it looks like this. It's 10 questions, okay? Again, you only get 1 attempt on this. All this is from the article / the worksheet should help you answer it. You are doing this individually, no questions about it. And that's it, everybody. That's all I have for this week. If you are not done with your writing from Tuesday or Wednesday, make sure that that is done before you begin working on the Science of Gratitude. And of course, your summative assessment from today needs to be done before anything else, but you'll have already done the summative before you get to this video. So I digress. Thank you guys for watching. I will see you all next week. All right. Have a great rest of your day and a great weekend. Bye, everybody.